hop in here quick. We're going to show you something. Was it about a week ago before our trip to Harley, we did a quick little Instagram video. Jesse here was taking apart his motorcycle that he's practicing CV carb rebuilding on, removal, installation, rebuilding. And when he took it apart, the last student had pinched the slide underneath here. And so I got this cool little video that I put in the description. That's a full-length video of what we're talking about here, and you guys should be watching that in the playlist. But that's bad. So you could see the crinkle, you could see where they missed and it slid down. But what we're going to do is we're also going to show you on these two carburetors, because we got two students doing the same carburetor, we're going to show you how as a technician you're going to have to catch the stuff, and you don't have the luxury of having two of something every time, especially off at the same time. If you're in the shop, there's no guarantee you're going to have two of these apart at the same time. But we took advantage of this opportunity, and we've got Jesse's carburetor. No, this is the good one, right? Can you tell right away?
Yeah. This
is the good one. So this is Monroe's here, and if you can get in with the camera or whatnot, hopefully it'll catch the sound. Okay, listen here. I don't know if you guys can hear that. You can actually hear the slide in there kind of making a suction, right? Because what this is, CV, constant velocity, there's a diaphragm in here and there's a pressure difference above the slide and below the slide. So this one, it's going down nice, but has that, you get that kind of suck out of it. So here's the one that's pinched, and you'd see how fast it's actually dropping down. But we're losing that kind of suction. The other thing here that, Jesse, I think you noticed this when we blew through with our little trick, we could actually feel the air leaking out of here because it just plain can't seal. Now here's why this is so important. I'm gonna get my safety glasses on. First off, I'll just go ahead and do it here. Okay. When the carburetor's actually working, air is going through here and we're gonna have a pressure difference. So something I've accidentally stumbled on years ago is the ability to take compressed air and blow through here, and that slide should lift. Let me do a good one. Now I'm just using low pressure, not full 90 psi. We don't want to see that. Does that make sense? Okay? So let's do a summary of this. This is why this is so important. Even on a single cylinder, if I take all the time to hook this up, hook up cables, put a gas tank or auxiliary tank, get all this going, and that has no ability to function, what do you end up doing?
Tearing it all back apart.
Redoing it all, starting all over, having to do all your work again. So I think of how many carburetors I put on in my life and had no idea that I could do this little test, right? And I know there were carbs that I put on, something didn't work, something went wrong, I had to take it back out and redo that work. So once I learned a little trick like this, I implement it on every carb job I do on a CV. Go ahead and test that, save yourself the trouble. And obviously the last person that not only pinched the slide, and they trained here at the college, what else did they not do?
Learn their mistake.
Check, they didn't do this step, this inspection step, right? They might have just went like this and went, oh yeah, the slide's working. Because a lot of times when you pinch that, or if the spring misses the cap, remember I said this will be really crunchy or that it won't return smoothly? This is a perfect example where this seems perfectly fine. It looks like, yep, throw it on the bike. It's not. We want this one that functions properly. These guys are really fortunate, like I said, to have two of these and to be able to literally hear and see that difference. Does that make sense? Okay, so thanks for taking the time, guys, to go ahead and share this. Keep following us. Following us here at Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. If you're looking to sign up for classes, get a hold of us.